Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that can arise when working with Spring Boot applications, specifically related to performance issues with virtual threads enabled. The issue at hand comes up when running a Spring Boot 3 application with virtual threads and encountering a potential deadlock scenario. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. The root cause of the deadlock was traced back to the application getting stuck in the AbstractConnPool of Apache HTTP client, as shown in the stack trace with lines 12 and 92. This was due to the connection pool being limited to a maximum number of connections, which caused threads to get blocked, particularly in the get method of AbstractConnPool. This issue could be addressed by reducing the number of connections or migrating to another HTTP client library. The code snippet of the get method in AbstractConnPool revealed a synchronization block that prevented virtual threads from unmounting, leading to the deadlock scenario. This limitation in virtual threads was identified as a factor contributing to the issue. A short-term solution was proposed to migrate the code to use a java.util concurrent lock instead, as virtual threads cannot unmount within synchronized statements. In conclusion, tackling the performance issue in the Spring Boot application with virtual threads enabled required addressing potential deadlock scenarios caused by limitations in the virtual thread implementation. By understanding the specific code segments in the Apache HTTP client connection pool and making adjustments to handle synchronization more effectively, the application was able to overcome the deadlock issue. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more tech tips and solutions.